Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to Story Time. Today's story is of a holy man who met God and he asked him, "What is the difference between heaven and hell?" So God smiled and took him to another world. Here they stood in front of two doors. God said, "You got to open each door to find out what's hell and what's heaven." The holy man opened the first door and peeped inside. He saw a huge round table set with the best of delicacies and delicious food at the center. And there were people sitting all around the table, but there was something unusual. He saw that the people had long spoons attached to their hand. The long spoons were good enough to fetch the food from the center of the table, but they couldn't feed themselves. Whenever they tried feeding themselves, the food either spilled, it dropped, and it was totally uncomfortable. So the people were completely hungry, they were famished, they couldn't enjoy the food that was served on the table. They were irritated, they were sad, there was a lot of sorrow and misery. They looked undernourished, they looked pale and thin. The holy man was completely shattered looking at the misery and the sorrow in the room. He closed the door, went to the next room. The second room, he saw the same situation. The same round table, people sitting around, delicacies served, the same long spoons attached to the hand of people, but here the scene was a bit different. The people in the second room were actually enjoying, they were having a hearty laugh, they were talking to each other, they were having fun, and they were super happy. There was happiness and fun filled in the room. The holy man was surprised. He closed the room and he came back to God. He said, "God, when both rooms are exactly the same, how come the people in the first room are in such misery and sorrow, whereas people in the second one are happy and having a gala time?" God smiled and answered, "The long spoons attached to their hand are actually long enough to feed others, but they are not too short enough to feed themselves." So the first room you entered is actually hell, where people are greedy, selfish. They only think about themselves, they don't care about others. So instead of feeding others, they're only trying to survive and feed themselves. That is the reason they're famished. They cannot enjoy their food. So that was hell. They don't support others. The second room is actually heaven, where people love and care and they support for others. Instead of feeding themselves, they're feeding others. And in turn, they can enjoy the food themselves. This is the reason why people in the second room are so happy. So, moral of the story is, the joy of giving can make the world a better place. The joy of giving is the essence of a place being heaven or hell. I was inspired to share this story today because I was a part of LinkedIn Live by Rishikesh Lokapure. This was an exclusive LinkedIn Live with the troupe of Rambo Circus. In the current pandemic, the entire troupe is going through unfortunate times. They're facing financial crisis. They hardly have funds to support their regular living. And this LinkedIn Live and the participants in the LinkedIn Live actually helped support this entire cause. It was a beautiful 1 hour time where the troupe performed their acts. They were happy performing and with complete dignity. It also helped us raise funds for this entire troupe. And this actually taught me the joy of giving. It actually is a lesson that we all need to imbibe in the current pandemic, that if we want to make this world a better place, we can't be greedy, we can't be selfish just thinking about our survival. We got to help others, we got to reach out to others in the current times, and that is what will make this world a beautiful place to live in. So thank you so much, all the participants who were part of the LinkedIn Live, and for all the support that you raised. Thank you so much. And for others who would be really interested to reach out to the Rambo Circus troupe, I'm sharing the link for the LinkedIn Live and the link for the keto donations in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Keep giving, keep helping, and have a fantastic time ahead. Thank you all. Bye-bye.